So good afternoon, this is Miko about you, and this video is all about how to install Server R2 2012. So our first step is go to the properties. Next, just follow what I do. That one, and type the IP address 192.168.0.1 and same, so that the subnet will appear. And our next step is that type also the IP address 192.168.0.1 and click OK. Close, then just follow what I do. One, and this next role based of features based installation. So click next. So after that is just click the Dns Server. Add features and continue. And next and click install. What pa din? So I'm sorry. So just follow what I did. So next So wait lang, I'm a little bit confused, so wait for a minute. Install, starting installation. So let's wait na mahuman siya. So lapit na. You can close this wizard without interrupting running tasks. To view progress or open this page again by clicking notification in the command bar and then task details. Remote server administration tools, role administration tools, and server tools. So lapit na, it's almost done. Click close. And then number 3, add other servers to manage. So have to manage sa number 2, add roles and features and configure this local server. And let's go to the number 3, add other servers to manage features. So but before anything else, let's check if it's already installed na. So this is one, pin to start at 1, start DNS. Click. So I think this is the number 3 now. I'm not really sure because after that is just follow what I did in the video. Click the win and forward, then add a new zone. The domain name system or a DNS allow us next. Then you can zone, stop zone, primary zone. So this is a little bit confused here. So let's click next, zone name. So let's type a zone name, which is the domain dot com dot com and click next. Create a new file with this file name. Do you want to create a zone file or use existing file that you have copied from another DNS? Use this executive files. Create a new files with this file. So I already create mine. So click next. Do not allow dynamic updates. Dynamic updates of resource records are not accepted with this. So click next again and finish. So that's all. Ay, di pa din. Napatay. Next step. Reverse lock up zone. Look. So I'm sorry. Look up. So I'm there. Domain. So we have already our own file. This is the domain.com. So just follow what I did in the video because I'm not really good in explaining. So name www. Oh, I'm sorry, I think it's just the W. Sorry. So the next step is after we type the www the IP address na naman ang next. So 127.0.0.1 click add and okay, close. Reverse lookup zones with S. I'm just reading what in the screen. New zone. So next and network ID. Just type the network ID, which is the 129 dot. Oh my god, my bad, it's wrong. 192 dot. Okay, I forgot. So 192.168.0. So this is the network ID. Our next step is just click the next, and that's all. So let's proceed to the next. Let's continue. Host IP address, host name. So our host name is that DNS. Am I correct? DNS. Okay, let's wait. I'm a little bit confused. So this is our host name, DNS1.domain.com, and click OK. Oh, sorry, in your record there's something wrong. So let's solve this problem. Wait for a minute. Okay, that's all. So just add number 1 in IP address, then click OK. So my problem is already solved, and then let's go to the next step. So click File Explorer and File Explorer. So let's type there's someone's coming. So okay, let's type the CMD, and this is so mauna ni ang no appear. So our next step is just type it is just like the NS lookup. So this is the one. Just follow what I did in the screen so that you will know how to install this software. which is the server R2 2012. www.domain.com. So click enter, and so the next one is the IP address. So 192.168.0.1. Okay. Click enter, and okay, we're almost done, so let's wait for a minute. So yeah, we're almost done, so let's check if all added is correct. Okay na. And done. So that's all.